18 Ways to Decorate with Shiplap. From wide to slim and everything in between, Shiplap can be cut to suit your own personal needs. This stairway from the _home_ project on Instagram uses very thin shiplap boards to add texture while maintaining a minimalist and modern look. Minimalism is a great way to make a statement without overpowering a space, and shiplap really helps make the look feel more polished. Though it takes a bit more thought and preparation to install shiplap in the bathroom than it does in other rooms, this stunning, airy bathroom from a beautiful mess is proof that it's worth the extra steps. You'll want to ensure the planks are treated against moisture before you attempt this look, but if you're tired of tile, shiplap is a unique alternative. Barn doors even better when you add a little shiplap, as seen in this stunning hallway from bright green door. It's an incredibly easy DIY that cost under $100 but adds so much character to the space. There are few things in life we love more than a perfectly decorated reading nook. Line a nook with shiplap like a house with books on Instagram did here. It instantly feels segmented and special, a great way to add a dedicated space for a reading nook or a corner office in a larger space. This Instagram-friendly bedroom from Cynthia_Harper_ is another way to add a bit of shiplap without filling the entire space. You can even DIY this look by affixing thin strips of plywood to an old headboard. One of the best things about shiplap is that it doesn't have to look polished to look good. This hunter green bathroom from New Leaf Custom Homes Dallas on Instagram is proof that a matte shiplap can give off a vintage feel without feeling too stuffy or overly polished. Plus, horizontal lines help this small bathroom feel even bigger. This farmhouse-inspired kitchen from Sita Montgomery Interiors utilizes both shiplap and white brick to pull the whole look together. We love that the horizontal lines are woven throughout the kitchen island and behind and above the stove. Keeping the same color palette is a great way to mix and match textures without the style feeling disjointed. Who says you need to be conventional? One look at this uniquely beautiful sitting room from Rachel Shea on Pinterest makes us want to lay chevron shiplap in every room. This pattern also works well above a fireplace or inlaid directly on stairs. Your headboard is the focal point of your bedroom, and shiplap forms the basis of a rustic yet refined look that can be done in a weekend. This DIY headboard from Jamie Zanotti on Instagram looks like it cost hundreds of dollars at a high-end store, and the built-in nightstands and ledge for knickknacks help create a cozy, snug space. This mid-century style dining room from Clayton & Little is the perfect mix of vintage and modern. We love the arched doorways paired with a shiplap wall, which lends a lot of texture to the space. The only thing left is to decide on the perfect table. Though white shiplap tends to be the most popular choice, it's not the only option. This moody, nautical bedroom from Table and Hearth is a wonderful example of how dark shiplap can create a focal point in a room and act as an anchor for the rest of the decor. This cozy farmhouse kitchen from the Inspired Room is giving us all the shiplap feels. Picking the same pattern for walls and ceiling can help define a space and point one's focus toward the room's furnishings. You can even switch up the colors on the shiplap to make a room feel bigger or smaller. Vertical lines help draw the eye forward and make a room feel taller. This hallway from the Style Files look uses a shiplap ceiling to make a narrow hallway feel wider and more spacious. Copy this look in small dens, patios, or anywhere you want to add visual texture and create a more open look. One of our favorite places to use shiplap is over the fireplace. As seen in this living room from Kleinworth & Co., adding shiplap helps draw the eye forward and create a focal point for your living room. Plus, it's a lot cheaper to use than brick. Here's another shiplap bathroom idea from Flippin' Wendy that utilizes the paneling only in the shower. If you're sick of standard bathroom tile, you can opt to try a shiplap material called Azek. With a little patience and watertight installation, she gave her space a unique and nautical feel we love. As with any white shower, you'll want to take steps to keep it clean to maintain the fresh look. Thanks for watching. subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.